We're an international conservation organization, and our mission is to conserve the lands and waters upon which people and nature depend. We do work on our own preserves, and then we also do a lot with partners. So the North Yuba Forest Partnership is one example of how the Nature Conservancy works with others to do forest restoration work at the landscape scale. The North Yuba Forest Partnership is a collection of 9 entities all working together to restore forest health to the North Yuba watershed, which is a large landscape, and it's something that no one entity could do on their own. Forest health, it's very close to resilience. It's about being able to get back up and dust yourself off and continue on with the work of being a forest and providing all those important benefits, from the water values to habitat values, recreation. It's involved everything from how do we fund this work, to how do we plan out a restoration plan at such a large scale, because this is the largest forest restoration project in California on public lands. So we're breaking new ground together. The North Yuba Forest Partnership is really important to the Nature Conservancy because when we look around and kind of understand the status of our forests here in California and across the West, and compare that to the pace that we're doing restoration work, it comes up very short. We're not doing enough. We see that the size and the severity of wildfires are growing. So the North Yuba Forest Partnership is an opportunity for us to pilot what does it look like to actually move at the landscape scale. Success, for me, will be like driving up the North Yuba and hearing there's a fire and not feeling stressed about it, because we've got it in a condition where we can manage fire and the landscape is ready to receive it.